Here we're going to be doing a speaker upgrade. So we're doing it on this 1995 Jaguar XJS. So it's a bit of a classic Jag, but you could have a modern vehicle and this is also a thing. So the reasons why would you want to change the speakers, either they're actually blown, so obviously the quality of the sound is terrible, or you actually want to improve the sound quality of the speakers that you have in there. So that's the two reasons why you'd want to change it. We can also offer sound deadening, and basically what that does is stiffens everything up round the back, so it stops creating resonance with the sound, and generally it sounds a lot better if you do a bit of sound deadening, but that is a different ball game altogether, and you could do different levels of that as well. So in this particular car, what we're going to be doing is changing the front speakers and then basically take it from there. We're not going to be doing any sound deadening on this, but if you come over here, what it has a pair of speakers in the doors, and these are not components, these are coaxial speakers. So what that means is not two components part of speaker. So where you have a component, you'd have a normal mid bass with a tweeter and then a crossover to actually split the signals up. But with this, it's basically one speaker, it's all in one, and basically there is no crossovers that's required to actually have them installed in there. So it's quite a simple installation on this particular car, and I'm going to start with the driver's door first. Right, as you can see, it's actually got aftermarket pair of speakers already in there, so it's not a genuine Jaguar speaker, it's already been replaced. But what they replaced it with was 5¼ speakers, so you've got like a gap all the way around the edge of it, as you can see. So it's not sealed, because what they've done, they chose a speaker that's a bit too small for the actual door itself. So what we're going to be replacing with these Phoenix Gold speakers, and they're 6.5 inch, and they're actually going to go in there, fit there correctly. So door card's back on, so that's a direct replacement speaker upgrade on this vehicle, so we've not actually done anything custom to it, it's just a direct replacement where the original used to be. So that's a front speaker upgrade on the 1995 Jaguar XJS.